Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Alfa Romeo Giulia. This is the 2-litre Veloce, so 280 horsepower on this car. On a 70 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off just showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. So having switched sides of the car, you can see that both driver and passenger side are in pristine condition. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you inside the boot before we hop in and run through the controls. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those twin tailpipes, reversing sensors, and loads of boot space available as well. You can fold down those rear seats, of course, to increase this space further should you wish to. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You can see the fantastic tan leather that goes really well with this car finished in Rosso Red. We're going to start, of course, by hopping in now and running through just a few of the controls. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge and rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the center, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 30,433. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, first of all, we have cruise control. This car's got adaptive cruise control just here. The start and stop button for the engine. You just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you, and then hit that button to start the car. Over on the right-hand side, we have our stereo and phone controls. And behind the steering wheel, you can see the massive plus and minus paddles to change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center next, we have the main touchscreen. So you can access any of the sections you see here. So your climate control, for example, and as you've just seen, you don't have to use the touchscreen. So I'm accessing the radio options using the dial just here. The home button will take you back to the main menu. The dial can rotate, push down, it moves up, down, left, and right as well, which will become useful within certain menus. So certainly you can access your DAB, FM and AM radio, as I mentioned. You can also access your satellite navigation, as you can see just there. You can pair your phone with a driver assistance menu. Lots of different bits of vehicle information, settings, menus, and what have you, all available up here. Working our way down from that, we have the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. So driver, or passenger, sorry, up and down, driver temperature up and down, fan speed up and down as well. All temperatures and adjustments will show on the screen as you make the adjustment itself. You can turn your air conditioning on from here, and it's on when that light shows, so same button to turn it off, of course. Or you can hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can manually override that whenever you wish to. We have a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, 2 cup holders, then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. To the right of that, we can operate our electronic handbrake, the main volume for your stereo, and just here you can change the driving setup of the car. So this is Alfa Romeo's DNA system, so dynamic, normal or natural driving, and all road, depending on the road conditions, of course. Last thing I want to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So firstly, in the envelope here is the spare key. So of course, 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new. And then the service book with a lot of stamps, as we can see. So pre-delivery inspection in 2020, and then 21, 22 just here. You have 23, 24, 25. So just, well, only a few miles ago really, but serviced at the end of last year. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.